Lionord CNC Tube Bundle Circular Sawing Machine is a specialized cutting machine designed for the efficient and precise cutting of tube bundles. The machine is equipped with a circular saw blade that can cut through multiple tube pieces simultaneously. The machine is also equipped with a CNC control system that allows the operator to program the cutting specifications. The CNC control system is used to input the necessary specifications, such as the required length and angle of the cuts, the number of cuts to be made, and the position of the cuts on the tube bundle. The machine can also be programmed to create different cut patterns for different tube bundle sizes, ensuring maximum flexibility. Tube bundle is loaded onto the machine's clamping system, which is designed to hold the tube securely in place during the cutting process. The machine then automatically feeds the tube bundle through the sawing blade, creating an accurate and precise cut. A key benefit of using Lionord CNC circular sawing machine is increased productivity. The machine can cut multiple tube pieces at once, reducing the overall cutting time significantly. The ability to program the cutting specifications also ensures consistency and precision in the final product. Other benefits of using a CNC tube bundle circular sawing machine include reduced labor costs, improved safety for operators, and the ability to cut large volumes of tube bundles quickly and efficiently. The machine is equipped with safety features, such as protective guards and sensors, ensuring the safety of the operators during the production process.